refrigerator today. What? 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 Frigidaire has cubed and crushed. Look at this, Lex. It has a light on it. You want to see? This one's obviously the water. This one's the ice. Touch that button. Touch the light one.
Can I try the water?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. The ice ain't ready yet. The ice has to. Okay.
No. Let me try.
Not bad. Definitely got to get some stuff together.
Your turn.
Oh, okay. Look at this. Stop. So, I think we need to go get some ice cream to put in here.
Close it.
Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yeah.
She's excited about the water. Definitely excited about the water.
I don't want to help. But you're being mean. So I don't want to help.
Okay, so kind of like jammed in there. Probably should have. You like the new refrigerator?
Yeah.
Oh, get it. What? You like this song? Huh?
From Hilliard to Reynoldsburg, this bus goes everywhere. 93.3 Plus. We play anything. I got chills from multiplying.
We're getting there. Nothing in this yet, so I still gotta work on that. Getting there.